Hi, it's Risa Lou. Today we are making butternut squash soup. Yum! Now my recipe is vegan. You can always add dairy if you would like. We will not be adding any extra sweetener today. We will be using some apple to sweeten our soup. Let's get started. Okay, just a quick review of our simple ingredients. We have vegetable broth. I have white ground pepper, which will be prettier in the soup. Salt, extra virgin olive oil, nutmeg, paprika, a small Gala apple, half of a butternut squash, some ginger, 2 carrots, 1 piece of celery, and 1 shallot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is scoop out our seeds and guts here. I'm just going to put them in this bowl. We're going to toast these seeds in a bit, and so you want to get them all out of here. Before I forget to tell you, I currently have my oven preheating to 375. This is so we can roast our butternut squash. So go ahead and do that if you're making this soup. This next part is tricky. So you can either put this in the oven on a baking sheet, 375, but it's going to take about 40 minutes for it to get soft. The other option is to cut it into 1-inch squares. If you do it this way, then you only have to bake it about 25 minutes. So that's what we're going to do today. Just to make sure we understand. I mean, you can do it either way. You can put your squash in with the peel on and then peel it after it cooks. I would just rather do the work now. Okay, remember me telling you that we're going to use some extra virgin olive oil? So we're just going to squeeze some on the top here. Just make sure everybody gets a little bit. Now we're ready to stick this in the oven. Again, we're going to do it for 25 minutes. Okay, really quick, I went ahead and washed these. Once we get the oven down to about 10 minutes, we'll just toss them on the sheet and let them roast to be a nice topping for our soup. We are going to heat up half a cup of vegetable broth. Okay, now that it's boiling, let's start adding in all of our chopped ingredients here. Alright, we're going to cover this and let it cook for about 6 minutes. Now that our veggies are cooked and a little bit softer, let's put it all in our blender. I'm also adding 3/4 a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of water, and a dash of salt and pepper. To garnish, I'm adding a dash of nutmeg and paprika and topping with our roasted seeds. Okay, let's taste our butternut squash soup. This is really good. It kind of has all the taste of fall mixed in together. One great thing about this recipe is that we didn't add any sugar or honey or syrup, and it's still sweet and tasty. I really hope you make one. Thanks for joining me.